Good morning, students. This is our picture dictionary class. Okay, in picture dictionary, last day we have read curtsius. Okay, we have already read curtsius. Today again we are going to read it. Okay, curtsies. Okay, Courtesis. Curtsies. Okay. Curtsies means good manner. Okay. Good manner which you have to always practice when you are talking. When you are talking to anybody, you use that. If you are not using, you are not a good manner people. Okay. If you use it, then you will be a good manner person. So these curses we should learn and we should use it in our day-to-day life. Okay. So first one, see in curtsies it is given may I. May I always to take permission. Okay, we use for taking permission but in a polite manner. What manner? In a polite manner. In a polite manner when you take permission we use may I in English. Okay? Okay? Like the boy is saying to the girl, may I help you? He want to take permission, may I help you? Because she is carrying so many things. So the boy want to help her and that is why he is asking, may I help you? Whenever you go to toilet or you want to ask drink water, you use may I drink water? May I go to toilet? May I eat my lunch? This may I is a courtesy to take permission in a polite manner. Understand? Okay, next come to excuse me. What it is written? Excuse me. When somebody is standing and you want to ask him, he is a new person or anything, or you want to ask him, so better you call him, excuse me sir. Okay, then it is a politeness that you are asking something without disturbing him. Excuse me please. Okay, or you are some people are standing and you want to cross that place, so without interruption you say, excuse me, I want to go that side. So you will use excuse me for that. Excuse me use for two things. Okay, first to give you way, okay, so that he or she can go, or excuse me when somebody is teaching or somebody is standing or somebody you want to ask something, so in between for interruption you use excuse me. Here see the man is standing and the boy this man want to ask something, so he has used excuse me. Okay, this is all about excuse me. Understand? Okay, next, please. Please also politeness to you want something. Okay, for that we use please. In English we use please. Please give me, please show me. Okay, if you put please then you show your politeness. So here you see the boy is playing with a toy and another boy is asking, please show me your toy. Okay, for asking him, please show me. So for that he is asking, please show me your toy. Next, see, then the boy has given his toy to him. Then after getting it, if you receive something, either gift or somebody has given you, then you should say him thank you. What you will say? Thank you. So here see he is giving, so he is saying thank you. Then see, by mistake the thing has been fallen. So it is your mistake. You have done mistake. If you have done mistake, then please use sorry. That is very important. You have to use what? Sorry. I am sorry. He is saying, see, I am sorry. Use of sorry for forgiveness. Okay, please forgive me. I am sorry. Okay, because you have not done intentionally. It has been done. So for your mistake you ask sorry. Okay, then see, you are meeting with your friend, uncle or whatever first time, or you should give him a greet. How you will greet him? You will say hello. Okay, you will say hello either by shaking hand hello, either by doing hugging each other, saying hello, or normally by saying hello, hi, like this. Okay, so you are meeting, you should greet somebody, that is hello. Okay, next see, when they are going back, when you are going back, okay, you have to say bye bye. Okay, it is also a good manner. What you will use? Bye bye. Okay, so that smile is always in the face. You are saying bye, he is also saying bye. So use a bye bye. To see off any person, you use bye bye. Understand? This is all about courtesies. Now come to today. This is all about birthday. If there is a birthday party, what things are present in that birthday party? Okay, so it has been shown. So first we are going to see here what is there. Birthday. See these things. What we call them? We call them streamers. What we call streamers? What we call them? Streamers. Understand? Next, see, in birthday party there is balloons. So it is a balloon. Okay? Then see, the father is holding a camera. So everybody want to click picture. So this one is camera. Understand? Now see here, hat. All are enjoying the birthday party, all are wearing birthday cap. What they are wearing? Birthday cap. Okay, this is birthday hat. This one is a birthday hat. Okay, next, see, in a birthday, you know there will be a cake. There is a cake, very nice, beautiful cake. And over there is a candle. Okay, so normal thing, cake, candle. Okay, then see here, somebody will give you cards. So it is a birthday card. What it is? Birthday card. And these all are gifts. Okay. Then see, wrapping paper. One wrapping paper is also there with which the gifts are being wrapped. See here. This is a paper plate. In paper plates, all the edible items are kept so that you can eat. All the guests, we give them in a paper plate all the edible items. So these are edibles and this is paper plate. Okay. Now see, next what it is there? Nothing else. Only this one. So what we have read here? One is streamers. These are known as streamers, with which there comes in colorful things and colorful papers, and we whole place, means whole room, we decorate with streamers. Then in a birthday party there will be balloons. Okay, somebody decorate with balloons. So it is a balloon. Okay. Next one, see. Hey, father is holding what? Camera. What it is? Camera. For taking the picture, the father is holding a camera. Okay. There will be a camera. Then there will be a cake. Okay. For there to celebrate the birthday, there will be cake and over it candle. Okay. Then see, all are wearing party hat. Okay. In birthday, all the children are wearing what? A party hat. Then there are gifts. All came with gifts. They are giving gifts to them. Okay. Then birthday card. What it is? Birthday card. Then see, there is a wrapping paper. What it is? Wrapping paper. Then in which plate they have given? They have given in paper plate. Okay. And all the things for eating, they are known as edibles. What it is known as? Edibles. Okay, what it is known as? Edibles. Understand? So this is all about birthday party. Okay, you know many things are there in birthday party, but limited things are shown here. So whatever things are there, you go through it and learn it. And you know about the courtesies. Okay, now you read it and learn it. Okay, before that action word was given, you also go through it and read it and learn it. Last time again revised it. This one, peel, pick, read, write, run, sorry, sing, then sit, sleep, smell. Here, smile, skip, swim, throw, tie, walk, wrap, write, yarn. So reading new thing, don't forget the old thing. You have to read and learn these things also. Okay. So go through it, student. Whatever I have teach today, you go through it and learn them. Okay? Okay? Learn them properly. Today's class over, students. Thank you.